What's going on YouTube? Magnus here, back with another video for you guys. I can't believe we've hit 100,000 subscribers. That's insane. I don't even know where to start. I can't believe all the support from you guys. I really appreciate it. From the first video on how to make a Viking shield to strange decisions like the urinal vlog video, which I'm sure you guys are all waiting for part 2 on, to simple videos like how to make a drawstring pouch. This channel has taken a while to find itself, kind of like me in real life, honestly. But when it did, it took off. I'd like to thank every single one of you who's watched, liked, shared, and subscribed. It's a pretty amazing feeling to get so many positive responses from you guys. Every comment and message that I get, just giving me a simple thanks, is huge for inspiring me to make more videos and keep making better and better content. The success of this channel has me working with a full-time sponsor in LONSDALE Leather and some smaller sponsors like vkngjewelry.com. Can't wait to see what this year brings. It's an interesting road ahead. Over the course of 2019 and with the growth of this channel, I realized how much I love making videos and that it's something I can actually do full time, which is pretty crazy. Early in February of last year was a video that changed everything for me, and that was my how to make a drawstring pouch video. That video, combined with the patterns and artwork that I provided for you guys, made me realize that this was almost a viable business. It was pretty crazy. The year progressed really well from there with a bunch of videos and a variety of popular patterns and Viking-inspired artwork that I supplied on both my website and my Patreon. I also ended up doing some storytime videos, which didn't get a lot of traction, but were really fun to make. And near the end of the year, I did a collaboration video with my studio mate Levi of Drawbridge Props and Armory. And that was a really cool video, a bit rough. We're going to have to flesh it out, but I want to do more videos like that as well. With the massive amount of support from you guys, I've been able to expand my camera gear, lighting. I bought an iPad Pro to help me with my art. This isn't an iPad Pro advertisement, but they're amazing. I don't really buy Apple products usually, but if you're an aspiring artist and you want to do something with digital, that's a great way to go. Though I think I might have had a small heart attack at the price of it, but everything's fine now. 2020 is the year where I'm a full-time YouTuber. I've kind of limped out of the starting gate here, and I'm going to have to make up for lost time, and hopefully you guys are along for the ride. The goals for this year are pretty simple. I want to have at least 3 build videos a month. I'm going to have to pick up the pace on that one, and 50 videos by the end of the year. Part of the fun for me in making videos, beyond just supplying you guys with tutorials and knowing that you're learning something, is learning something myself. So every single video that I make, I try and make it a little better. If it's a little better with the lighting, a little better with the camera work. And by the end of this year, I hope to get 200,000 subscribers, which is a lot of subscribers, but I think it's totally doable if I'm really focused on just YouTube. Again, I can't thank all of you enough. I love reading all of your comments. I'm still able to read all of your comments, so hopefully that keeps going for a little while. I'm sure eventually there'll be a time where I just can't get to all of them. Obviously, be sure to check out my website for patterns and artwork, and follow me on Facebook and Instagram if that's your thing. Obviously, you can help this channel grow to 200,000 subscribers and beyond by liking and sharing my videos, but even more importantly than that, in the middle of last year, I was doing a lot of polling of my subscribers to see what videos I should do. I'd list 5 items and I'd do the winner. So I'm going to be doing a lot more of that this year, but to make sure that you're able to contribute to those polls, hit the notification button so you don't miss them, because usually it's 24 hours before I start on the video, or even same day sometimes, so be on top of it. I haven't done a giveaway in a while, and I think 100,000 subscribers kind of dictates that I should do a giveaway. Entering is really easy. You have to be subscribed to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. I will randomly pick from the comments. And if you want an extra entry, you can be a follower on my Instagram, and that'll give you 1 extra entry. There'll be 6 prizes. One of them will be this bag. The other 5 prizes are $100 gift certificates to my website for patterns and artwork. You can select which ones you want, and I will send them to you. Pretty simple. Oh, and until next time, keep on being creative in whatever it is you do.